Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change message settings in Instagram. To change message settings on Instagram, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap on a three-line menu in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down to find messages or messages and store replies. Tap on it. In the message control section, you'll see options to adjust. Message request. Choose how message requests from people you don't follow are handled. For example, let's go to your followers on Instagram. Then choose between message request or don't receive request. Same goes to others on Instagram and verified accounts. How about group chats? Let's go to who can add you to group chats. Here, you can choose between everyone on Instagram or only people you follow. Now, let's go back. Back again. Story replies. Control who can reply to your stories. For example, replies from all followers, replies from followers you follow back, or don't allow. Your changes will be saved automatically. Simply exit the settings menu when you're done. Now, your message settings on Instagram will be updated according to your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.